good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Master Message 101. As you all know, yesterday I mentioned about ABT. Remember, I told you yesterday I want gonna buy ABT option put. Remember, I said that. And I told you guys it's gonna go down regardless they want it or not. And what do you know? Boom, the market it was at 113 after we spoke yesterday, and then we dropped right now to 112.30. But he haven't reached my target selling price yet, since always now it's still at 12 cents. I'm still going to hold. The reason why I'm still holding because he's haven't really have a big jump yet. He's still above the MA8 and he hasn't crossed it yet. And once he crossed that MA8, it's game over. And I'm looking forward to it. So basically, that's my goal. And then once this cross, I know is game over, and I'm looking for a profit. The profit I'm looking for is between 20%, 10%, 10% to 100%. Some of them might go to 300%. But I'm gonna hold to see. I'm not gonna sell it today because it's just the first drop of the week, and I'm gonna take my time to secure that profit very nice and slow. Since you went all the way to 113 and reached the top right now, so I'm waiting for it to cool off a bit. Probably 111, 110. I'll probably sell it now because I'm gonna have a nice profit. So we're gonna see how far it's going. And the news I'm talking about this week, I'm gonna talk about the rate cut. As you know, Powell said yesterday he's thinking about rate cut toward on the following meeting, or but he didn't say when he's gonna get the rate cut, and then the market trying to price in the rate cut. So we don't know for sure because the data there's a lot of data gonna come in next month, and according to the data we're gonna have for sure which rate cut is gonna be 25 rate cut, it's gonna be 50, it's gonna be 70, or it's gonna be no cut at all. So we don't know for sure. But the way he said that, he's saying that for a way to make it look good for the market to invest. So people say that to boost the market, because remember that is a plan they do to boost people ego so they can be invested. Like I said, is psychology. It has nothing to do with investment. It's psychology. The more I can boost people to spend, and the more money the government can keep, the more money the market can fluctuate, and the more I can take from people, and then the more I can secure profit for the government, and so on and so forth. So that's the idea. That's the game they're planning. That's why every month when they do about job report, every month they give it to you, and every week they modify it and they put it down in a way that they can place the market in a way that to make people that if you're bullish and the next thing you know the bearish, and the following week you're bullish again. It's just all over the place, but they know exactly what they're doing. So basically that's why that's my point. As you can see right now, S500 is very happy about it. They're going to go to 562, which is good. Congratulations for the option call, but I don't think it's gonna stay long. The rally, if um the government for the new fiscal year next month, it doesn't have a budget for them to fund it, the market gonna drop dramatically. As you can see on 2008, the market dropped dramatically, and because of the funding, they say they did not fully want to invest in. So that's a scenario with vibe. I feel like they're gonna project it, so that's why they're popping the market right now. So because they know they're gonna ask for more money, and then next thing, especially for the election gonna come, they're gonna ask for money for the black people. They can ask money for different community, and then go to government. If I need more money, how it's gonna return? And it's gonna be back and forth. So basically, that's just idea I feel that's gonna happen soon. So that's why they want to pump the market now. So later, when they make the dip and the big drop, people will not be so and because they had the rally already happening. And then if you didn't get secure profit, that's on you. The rate card is a good tool to use to maximum your gain, and also it's gonna be a good tool also to know that do not hold anything. If you hold anything, you're gonna get your theta, your gamma gonna be destroyed. Um, the advice I'm gonna say right now, next month. by after September 10th or September 12th, I'll tell you to do option put. That's gonna expire until October, or I mean the end of November or December. Option put. And then the way you're gonna do it is buy one and then hold it if for half your account, and every 2 days, if that money it didn't go up, I would advise you to average down. And then of course you gotta have a job first, and next thing you know, after between the election or after the election, is gonna drop dramatically. And this, whatever you make it, you're gonna have at least 5x from it, 3x from IX. Me, that's what I'm doing. So basically, between after September 10 of September 13, this is the plan I'm doing. So that's the way I'm seeing the market, the way they're doing it. So basically by September, this is where they're gonna have planned the fiscal and so on and so forth. So this is my idea so about that. Regardless of the rate cut, what's gonna happen if one rate cut, two rate cuts, it's just nothing burger, nothing really gonna happen on that stage, because what happened is they're just saying stuff so they can make you hype. So at the end of the day, it's not gonna really, they're gonna push the market to for the rally. So that's why they worry about the rally. So this is the idea for the market. And the stock I'm watching today is a very new stock I'm watching today, and is a GE, is IOPOS. I know you guys gonna say that why I pick it. The reason why I pick it, because as you can see right now is all time high. Okay, it's all time high, and it's all time high. It's time for it to cool off. So he haven't dipped yet. He is haven't dipped yet. He's all time high. The last time he was all time high like that, let me see the graph. It was let me see, August 1st. And it went from all time high was on 174, and it closed at 169. And the next day it will drop to 158. That's the lowest. So it can drop to $10. So basically I'm holding on. So basically it can usually drop to 161 easily. The option I'm buying is gonna be interesting, is 167.5. That's the option put I'm doing. Okay, I'm doing option put the 165, so I'm doing it. So you can buy it right now and then hold it for the end of the week. Before the week finish, it's gonna drop to 165 at least. Let me see, 167 at least, 167 or 65 at least. And that money you put in is gonna be 3 to 5x easily. So if you put $40, it's gonna be 120. If you do $100, it's gonna be $300. That's a guarantee by the end of the week. Okay, so that's my thing. I'm gonna hold it for this week. Um, Tomorrow I'm gonna have some money left over tomorrow. If you haven't hit my target, I can pick another stock and then hold it again. And I have so for two stock I'm holding right now, and I'm waiting for that to cash out. And then for 3x, and then tomorrow I'm gonna have another stock I'm buying for to have to hold again to have the 3x again. And then next thing you know, boom, I'm going to cash out. When I'm gonna cash out those 3x like all the time, my portfolio gonna be amazing, gonna be beautiful. And then that's my point. And then I'm planning to average down. That's depending how bad it is, but I'm not worried because the market gonna be is fluctuating, and that's why I say. So again, this is the market I'm watching, GE. And as you can see, people wondering what's going on with Tesla. Tesla is a record market. When they hear about record, Tesla is always going down. For example, yesterday December market cut a record, it was 219 when it was 210. So basically, like I said, record is not good for Tesla. And that's what I see. So Bitcoin, you see Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin to make a big dip. It was at 64,000, now it's 62. So basically, it's crazy out there. So if you're a Bitcoin lover, sorry about the record. It's not very good news for Bitcoin. So hold it down, and that's how it is. Especially the war. I tell you, the war between Israel. Bitcoin gonna go down because people gonna sell since Russia gonna involve and China gonna involve, so they're gonna sell because they're on uncertainty, and then the market gonna rally. That's why you see S&P 500 rally. But unfortunately for Tesla, it's going down because the record is not in his favor, and you gotta pay attention to those little stock that's really paying attention to the record. You get no record, Tesla gonna go crazy if there's a record, and Tesla gonna go down. This is how the market operate. It's not me, it's just how it is. And unfortunately, if you do option call on Tesla, you're gonna lose money. But it's a good thing also you can average down. But not for this week, for the next week, because usually in 1 week down, the following most likely can go up because there's a call thing. Let me see, what's the call word said? Um, consolidation, and then after that it's gonna rally. So that's the way the market is. So this is the best way to invest. Record, Tesla down. No record, Tesla bullish. Okay, follow the graph. If the price is above MA5 or MA10, option call. If the price is higher, like above overboard, option put. Couple days from now, let it sit or average down. You got about 3x to 10x. That's how I make my money. And is every week you can do that. And this week is the last week for August. Next week September, new month. So basically you're gonna talk about the fiscal year. The news gonna be out there, and I advise you to train accordingly. I'm gonna do eventually almost every day. I'm gonna try to do a live trade. So I don't have a specific time different what I'm doing. So basically I advise you to join it. And if you have any comment, down below. And if you have any stock for me to watch, I don't do any fundamental analysis of any stock. The reason why, because I'm not really knowledge of that. So basically that's something I have to learn. But the thing I'm at is I'm looking for the graph, and the graph that I'm focused on, they usually 90% give me the next phase of the market. But most of the time take time for me to achieve that goal. But patient is the name of trading. If you're patient long enough, you're able to make money as much as you can. So that's what I'm telling you. Be patient. And then I'm buying and holding now. So as you can see, those are two stock again. I'm going over. For those that wasn't here, it was a GE is right here 171, and I'm hopefully it's gonna go to 167 or 69 by the end of the week. And also ABT I bought it yesterday for 112.13, and right now 112, and it's going down. It's gonna cross below the EMA 12, which is F8, which is one below 112. So that's the two stock I'm holding, and tomorrow I'm gonna have more money come in to buy another stock, so I can average down yet, or I can buy new stock so I can make money. I'm exciting to cash out, and I'm excited to make money together. And if you're newbie, be patient. And then if you're intermediate, be patient. And then if you're advanced, and then be patient as well, because it's gonna be worth it. And I know it's hard, and I've been down the road. I lose a lot of profit, more profit, more gain I can make because I wasn't patient enough. And this name of the week is being patient. And the next thing you know, you're gonna make money. That's why I tell people, don't invest in the money you rely on. Invest in the money that is extra for you in your bank account. So like you been buying a birding bag or Jordan or something like that, so you can be carefree, careless about your investment. And guys, if you like my video, give thumbs up, remember subscribe. And guys, I'll see you next one. It was a great video, and then I'll see you tomorrow. I don't know what